Hi, this is Mrs. B, and we're going to learn how to format font and some shortcuts to selecting text. So we'll do the selection of text first. Normally, when you select text, most of you know that you click and you just drag through the text you want to select. But I'm going to show you a quicker way. If you want to select a word, just double click anywhere in that word and you automatically select it. Double click anywhere in the word and you've automatically selected it. If you want to select a whole paragraph, if you triple click anywhere in the paragraph, it automatically selects the whole paragraph. So triple click anywhere in the paragraph and it selects the whole paragraph. If you want to select only one sentence, then you need to get your white outline arrow out to the left side of the sentence and click once and it will select the sentence. Your white arrow outline and click once to the left of the sentence and it will select the whole sentence. Okay, that said, let's look at some of the things that you can do to format text. So if we wanted to take the word demonstration and we wanted to make it bold or italicize it or underline it, most of you already know that you click the B for bold, I for italics, and U for underline, and then it does that to that. You also know, as I've done here, that you could just click on the highlighter and it will highlight a word. So if I click the paragraph and click the highlight button, it would automatically highlight the paragraphs. Most of you also know to change the color of a word. You select the word and then you just go to the A and pick out the color that you want, and that changes the letters to that color. You also know if you wanted to take this paragraph and we wanted to put a background color on it, that we could go up here and shade it to whatever color we chose, and it would shade the back area of the paragraph. So those are pretty easy things to do. There are also other things. If you use the dialog box launcher, you can strike through, you can double strike through, superscript, subscript. You can also do small caps or all caps. It's like if I wanted to make this all caps, I could highlight it, then I could go down here and click on all caps and say OK, and it makes that word all caps automatically. So those are different things that you can format font with all of these different things. You can also change the style of the font and the size of the font. So if I wanted this a little bit, well, bigger, then I can go up here and I can change it to like 18 points. And say I wanted a little bit fancier type of font, I can click on the font up here and I can go down and I can just change the font to whatever I wanted to make it look a little bit different. One of the other things that you can do to font that most of you are unaware of is this button right here. This icon is called the Text Effects and Typography, and the purpose of it is you can make your text a little bit more fancy and decorate it up a little bit. So if you click on it, you've got different things here, and it will tell you what these are. For example, if I put my cursor over top this A, you see that it says gradient fill blue accent reflection. So I'm going to click on that. And if you can see this a little bit, it changed the way it looks. It put a reflection on it. I can do something else with this, with the text effects. You've got outline, shadows, reflection, glows. Maybe I want to put a glow on it. So I can click on the glow and I can go down here and it will tell me blue 11-point glow accent color. And if I click on that, see how it changed it to make it a little bit bluer and a little bit different? That's what the text effects button is for here. Now, the other thing that I want to point out to you, because a lot of you are unaware of this, but when you go to your colors, whether it's a shading color or whether it's a color for the font, if you put your cursor over top the color, it gives you the exact color, like blue accent 1, lighter 40. And this is kind of important to do, to know if someone is trying to get you to use an exact color, then you can know where to look for that color that you have to use. Thank you for your time today. Practice what you've learned, and hopefully you'll be really good at this in no time.